Poppy Premier Ramatuba. The first a person in Limpopo for xenophobia is you. The more powerful xenophobia is you. You know, people sometimes, you don't think when you talk something. Before you talk, you must think. Before you talk, you must drink water to restart your mind, to fresh your mind. Focus in the service delivery of Limpopo. Everything that you are saying, you are out of order. Yeban, Premier kubalabula so. Utsika kwendala abantu mati swilo tshamiseka. Kwendi wena ungasungula tribalism, ungena xenophobia, anti kumilava yini n'wina vanhu. Hi lava tiko ra ka hina ri hanya kahle. You are focusing to something that you think maybe people that are gonna vote you, they're gonna vote ANC. You are done. It's your last time. Riperile aka n'wina.
Wena iPremier yase Limpopo angithi wena uthi march and march ingize Limpopo iLimpopo izolwa amabhettle lakhona, which is good. It's good. It's a choice. South Africa has got 9 provinces, and if when you are allowing ukuthi ama illegal immigrant azohlala lana yenza ama crime angatraceki a rape enzana imarch and march is based on illegal immigrant abangene ngapha, hayi all foreigners. So wena if uzozanza ngathi iLimpopo yakaba bakho nomama akho na nefamily yakho, it's fine. Le decision le uyithathile le ukuma la ku social media, you talking that nonsense. Ube aware there will be other challenges afikayo la, you will come la uzothi hey South Africa is supportana ayenzi. That's why Limpopo it will take time ukuthi it develop ifane namanye ama province. Abantu abafana nawe bafana nalo ya bekalifaka ngekhanda lana yenza after it asuka lapha yena ohlala eSandton lapha, mara after it and criticize abantu base Limpopo athi abafundanga baphuza amanzi namadonki. Kufana nawe khona manje, angithi wena lapho ohlala khona igovernment ANC le uhamba ngama blue light, uthola salary flat effect engaka, uhlala kuma suburbs. There are people in community lapha struggle layo lapha. Wena ngathi uyi minister kuphi esibhedlela loku busy udla ama prawns lapha, udla ama popoto. People are struggling lapha eLimpopo. There are people abahlala ku rural deep inside, akuna manzi, akuna ma toilet, abantu bakakele esigangeni, abanye bakakela emigodini. Wena uyaflasha lapha udla kahle, uzozalana unesibindi, uzozalana. Abantwana bakho bangena ama private school la, babahamba nama bodyguard abagadile, unesibindi esingaka uzomala ukhulume lo msangano lo ukhuluma ukuthi imarch namarch, which means lento le yenzakalayo la into enganangqondo kuwe, is something enganangqondo. Nina ni special, ngithi nithole ama title lapha, nithola ama title niyasebenza, nisebenzela abantwana benu. Kunabantu abasafarayo lapha eLimpopo lapha, khona abantu abadonsa kanzima. Kuzophuma kubantu baseLimpopo bamamela abantu abane mentality efana nawe, udom umuntu wesimame mako udom. Instead of you must see ukuthi abafazi baya rage. Kufanele wena ukoyi experience ku family yakho ukuthi i-rape ne murder ne kidnapping enjani, ukhona ukuthi uzoza la usitshela umsangano lo ku social media ukuthi hey what crime what. Sokumele le video le sisevile sokumele, you will face same challenges. Ubone ukuthi abantu mabathi much too much babasha too much bamashela. so umbuza manje abathi nasi miss not me mina ngijonga kanjalo mina ngithi I want to deal Limpopo, you'll fight its own battle. Mayis fight ke le match le abantu abenza imatch nematch iyekele Limpopo ngithi Limpopo inabo Schwarzenegger ngale inama beast inama diva na idiva yakho uyakhuluma lapha uthi iyekele njalo sibone ukuthi yozala nkomo uzoza sebazalana ba poster lana hey labantu laba hey 1 2 3 nina maligani foreigners now umuzika baba le malisuka la abantu baniphazamisa la iyali le Limpopo sifuna ukubona ukuthi izophelela kuphi sifuna ukubona kahle ukuthi izophelela kuphi
Tobela mahwa betsogile la batse baba ba are ke Popi Ramathoba ore na ka hlowa ga etatileng ka molo wa gale anya ko bona match and match utlile Limpopo Jacinta Scaria dilotsa gage mo Limpopo Popi nga ka go botsa ngwanyana ka Limpopo la sa gago ebile sa tatago ebile sa mmago ebile a tlo tša di decision ebile wena mo leng a wa tepeya o votetšwe ke setšhaba re tša decision re go tšela di decision gore ba re kwena premier Limpopo re kwena re go tšela di decision Popi Ramathoba a wa tepeya mo ebile a wa bja ke bana ba gago o beile ke setšhaba se bong gore e sentše se lebeletše gore o tlo ba leader into a good life tlo re claimela wena okay ape o ka lebelela batho ba di politician tše ntši tše nna le nyako re thome re nagane ka mogomong ya gore gore ge le defenda batho ba le a tseba gore tlhare tše le re gatelelang ka tšona le di tšeago batho ba ka kwa ntle re a tseba gore le bofa ka ntle statuswe le boifa so le gone ge re ba tsamaye la tseba gore le tlo šala le ba wiki Popina sa re ga fele mosadi ko wena a re go tsebe gore ko ene mmagomang ebile le bananyana ba go ga re nyako ba tseba gore ne bana o re wa belega gore o tswa top tana re tsebe bana ba rena ba gwa ka di drugs mo strateng especially ka mo Limpopo Nigeria nyana ka mga tloga ga uteng ba baraka ba tshabela Limpopo Mazimbabwe nyana ka mga na tshabela Limpopo Congo ka mga ba tshabela Limpopo se ka to re tlwaela na mosadi ko wena o beile a wa bja ke morwedi ya gore morwa go mo rone bana re tsebe o dutse ga botse ka ga go mo e bong gore wa go favor go sharp ona le security ona le everything bana ba go ba go di drugs bana ba go ba sekolong ba le sharp ba escortile sa re hlolle wena wa tepe ya mo le mollogo o change mollogo batho ba busy ba para di week tša go tura o sa loga ka mollogo gale yo fuck ena la pora tse match tlo re ya mo Limpopo Popi Ramathoba o nyaka o sa nyaki a se la ga go Limpopo le ene bila wa tepe ya wa pya ke tatago mo le mmago mo stulong fa to re tloela wena o tlo bolela gore match e nyake mo Limpopo a tswa re go re ya mo Limpopo tsamaya ka kwa Mmabolholo ka kua o bone re go re ya molloi bana ba borena ba hweletše kwa Mmabolholo kua ba fellela ka kwa Mmabolholo ka di drugs se ka to re ga fela wena tsamaya ka Groblersdal ka kua o cheke ka toropong so re ga fela Popi Ramathoba tsamaya mo Tetema kua o bone re go re ya tsamaya ka Tafelkop so to re tloela wena ene ke duma gore o tla ga geshu o tlo re awareness tšatši le leng go ka no bona le Swiss o tsore go itele ka tšhilo fatlhego se so to.
Okay, so you guys see how hard Zulus are fighting for South Africa, right? How they are literally putting their own lives on the line to make sure that South Africa is a better place, right? To make sure that South Africans get jobs, to make sure that, you know, hospitals, like just a lot of stuff that comes with the alleviation of illegal immigrants. As it is right now, over 70,000 illegal immigrants have left this country. Now, I did see what the Premier said yesterday, and I see some of you guys Limpompians, right? As I'm also a Limpopian, celebrating, yeah, now we don't do that. Now, in about 5 years, when Zulus say, even in Gauteng, if there is a job, Zulus should be the first in line to get jobs. Don't come here with any rubbish, tribalism, don't even dare. You should not. Wait, I don't care you are vendor, you are tsonga, your baby. I am vendor myself. But wrong is wrong, right is right. And I see it. make sure lina le premier ya lina hona kwa ko Limpopo kwa, wherein you know development is at a, I don't know, it's 0% or a 1%, I don't even know, because anytime I go back home now, Tando looks worse than how I last saw it 6 months. You should stay there jobless. Don't even dare come here and say Zulus are tribalistic, Zulus are this and this. No, because they're the ones fighting for the country. They should get preference. If they say there are 10 jobs, they should first employ all Zulus. When all Zulus have gotten the jobs, and nobody should cry crocodile tears. Nobody. And get shut.
This video is for the Premier of the Limpopo Province, Dr. Phophi Ramathuba. While we are still committed to dealing with Limpopo Province problems ourselves, there is a man-made bridge. In 2026 years, there's a man-made bridge that we didn't know about until Alvaro Mushwana made sure that he physically goes there to visit this bridge so that we see. I'm gonna attach the video at the end. So the people that have built that bridge are trying to cross over from one village to another to go to a clinic. By the way, that is your former office as the MEC of Health in Limpopo. So they are going to a clinic using a man-made bridge, Dr. Phophi Ramathuba. So while we are trending on the news as the province of Limpopo that knows how to deal with their own province themselves, we are humbly asking that you attend to the man-made bridge. Thank you.
So I'm at the Mafarafara village in Limpopo near Burgersport, and this bridge was built by residents who wanted to cross from Mafarafara to Taung where they can access a local clinic. On this side of the village there is no clinic, and the only clinic or the nearest clinic is on the other side, and because of course as you can see the river, they can't just cross, so they've ended up building this bridge on their own so that they can cross.
At the very same time.
Now, this bridge is not very strong, it's not very stable, but the people here say that they have no choice but to use this bridge every single day. Now, take a listen to one of the residents here who says they just don't have another choice. So for people who are unable to pay 10 rand to use the makeshift bridge, this is how they have to move from one side of the village to the other. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongele, bye. See you on the next one.